Shibarium Beta to go live next week. Rumors or reality? Well, I think it's reality, folks. I really do. And we're hearing this, from a few different sources who I trust. We'll have to wait and see. There are no guarantees, right? But I am pretty confident here that we are getting very, very close to the launch of Shibarium. The long-awaited Shibarium Beta, potentially to go live next week. And this is being picked up by some other news outlets out there because there were some exchanges on Twitter yesterday talking about the future here of Shibarium and it potentially launching. Somebody responded to a fellow YouTuber, friend of mine, Your Pop's tweet, and then Shitoshi jumped in and said, basically, you're going to owe Your Pop an apology if he's right. And some prominent SHIB influencers shared a video on Saturday which suggested that Shitoshi Kusama, lead Shiba Inu developer, has confirmed the Shibarium launch and will be releasing the Layer 2 blockchain in the next 7 days. The rumors on social media spun out of control through tweets and retweets, but when the SHIB community asked for the source of the announcement, there wasn't one because Shitoshi has not released any blog or confirmed Shibarium's release on Telegram, Discord, or other social media channels. But when one of the SHIB ecosystem news spreaders, SHIB Army Canada, accused Your Pop of doing clickbait and spreading rumors, Shitoshi replied, when he's right, you owe him an apology. Therefore, the news doing the rounds on Twitter that Shibarium releasing in the next 7 days is confusing. Now, we do know that the beta launch potentially was ready, but we just had to wait for call as well to kind of mourn the death of his father. So I think we're getting very close. And what does that mean for Bone and Leash? Well, Bone right now up 9%. Leash has been crushing it as well. And I think we're going to see this entire ecosystem move. There's Leash up 12%. We go take a look at SHIB here. And SHIB's even up slightly here, the 13.2 level. Overall cryptocurrency market up slightly, pretty flat across the board. Got a couple big gainers. Filecoin has just been on fire recently. Stacks is also up 15%. But I think we're going to see the entire ecosystem build up this weekend. Don't be surprised if we get a little price pump here this weekend as we head into next week with potentially Shibarium Beta to go live next week. I think we're right around the corner from Shibarium Beta going live. What do you guys think down below? Rumors or reality? We are going to find out soon enough. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you.